welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. With the emergence and the rebirth of the Nike SB Dunk, it looked like they're here to stay this time. So being that this is getting overhyped, I decided to show y'all a pair of Nike SB Dunks that I own that's reselling today for $2,000. Yes, sir. So these here is the Ruckus SB Dunk Crawfishes. And these released August 2014, I believe. I think retail was $110 or $130, I can't remember it. This box here happens to be the special box. When it comes to Nike SB Dunks, I always try to get the special box. That's why in here, in this little vestibule here, you only see the ones I got that doesn't have the special box, because the special boxes are usually larger, i.e. the Nike SB Concept Turkadons. You see how big this box is, guys? There's no way possible it would fit in here. But back to the crawfishes. Ruckus. Let's start with Ruckus. Ruckus is a New Orleans company that's known for their crawfish and things of that nature. So the collab was with them. On the box, you see the Ruckus logo, Nike SB, a whole bunch of crawfishes mixed with some Cohen. And it reads, Ruckus Board Shop, bring the taste of Louisiana home. Now let's get to the shoe. Yes, sir. Not bad for a pair that came out in 2014, man. But I do wear my shoes. So straight off the back, you see that burgundy, dark red crawfish look. But what beats at you quick is boom, the newspaper. Now that was there. It's on both sides. The newspaper look was there because when people usually eat seafood, especially in Louisiana, I guess that's where this originated, you usually eat it on a newspaper. The wrapping of the sneaker actually came in a newspaper, but that was 2014. I done ripped that up and tossed that everywhere. But that's where the newspaper look comes in. Besides the newspaper, around the dark red, you see spectacles. Usually I hate a sneaker with those on there because it usually reminds you of a kid's shoe. But for the collab, it's so dope. It makes it look like real seafood, or real crawfish, or red lobsters shelling. The back has a corn on the cob look, as you can see. And that's because they said when you eat crawfish, you're supposed to get it with a corn on the cob. So that's where you get your corn on the cob look at. The silver shoestrings to me is kind of a reach. I mean, I don't understand why they there. But don't worry, guys. You get a yellow pair in there. And with me, I have the silver lace, but the yellow pair is a better look in my opinion. Here you got your classic SB tongue, big fat tongue. And that's in the same color as the shoe, with your Nike SB patent there. That's inside and out. The soles are good, man, for 2014. But in there you see the red sole or dark red, and it reads Nike SB and Zoom Air. The bottom has that same look as the top. The corner on the carb yellow, the crawfish red, and the shoe box has that silver, i.e. I told y'all that's why the shoestrings are that color. So I mean I get that, but I'd rather go without the silver shoestrings. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these. So I'm on StockX now, and upon checking, actually the special box has dropped down to $1,300. So right now you can get the special box of the crawfish dunks for $1,300. With me, man, it's always a like it or not thing. If you want this sneaker, $1,300 for the special box. Comes with the newspaper, the crawfish bag, and this nice box here. I mean, dunks are going crazy, so people are going after the vintage ones and the ones that really made a staple on the game. Like what I did there, right? Staple, pigeon, whatever. So yeah, you can get this for $1,300. The regular one you could get for about $550. So in my opinion is, do you want the special box or do you want just the regular sneaker? When it comes to Nike SBs, man, I always want the special box, but I'm more into the sneaker. But the special box be having like such a story that, I mean, we can't deny. So again, this is the video on the Nike SB crawfishes that dropped August 2014. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Please hit subscribe. If you like the video, hit like. Trust me, fire content like this all the time. Everybody get rich.